Manny? Is that your name?
Manny.
Hi, Manny. I'm Hank.
Hey.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Hank.
That's very good. Come on, talk to me, buddy. How do you expect anyone to understand you if you sound retarded? I sound like my dad. I'm sorry. Hey, I didn't mean that. You can talk any way you want. You can mumble, you could look at your feet all day long. Okay, buddy?
Okay, buddy. Oh. Hey. Hello? Why did you hit me? Hello? Why did you hit me?
I'm sorry. I thought you were dead.
Am I dead?
I don't think so. You're talking.
Why do I sound retarded?
No. You sound great. Don't say that word.
Am I a sack of shit?
No. I was being an asshole.
I don't sound like a sack of shit.
No. You were great. You're a miracle. Or I'm hallucinating from starvation. No. This is crazy.
Crazy! I'm fucking crazy!
No. You weren't supposed to hear that.
I like that. I'm singing.
Can you remember anything that happened to you about before? Your life? How we got here? How you saved me?
Hey, what is that?
Oh, that... don't worry about that. What's important is that we find a way to get home.
Okay. I'm trying to remember. What is home?
This is from home. It's normally filled with these little things called cheese puffs. Sometimes your finger could be coated with orange, and your mother probably told you to wash your hands, but I bet you just licked it off when she wasn't looking. Anything?
What?
What?
Wait.
Wait?
What's supposed to happen?
I don't know. I thought maybe I could tap into some sense memory of yours, and then bam! The hairs on the back of your neck would stand up, your heart would start pounding till everything rushes back to you, and everything you left behind. Your jaw hangs open, the camera pushes in, cue the music. Da 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 da. You remember Jurassic Park?
What?
You were just singing the theme song. Laura Dern, the Brachiosaurus?
I don't know Jurassic Park.
You remember the song. Manny, If you don't know Jurassic Park, you don't know shit.